In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Outcome Memories on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join and play Outcome Memories on any platform. So I am going to be doing this on PC, but you can also follow along on mobile and possibly a console. Use the search function and look for Outcome Memories. It should be the first result to pop up. There are a bunch of clones and different games here, but this is the one that we're going to be joining. So look for Outcome Memories, and if you want to play with other random people online, just join a public server. You can create a private one for free, or if you want to play with your friends as well, this will be useful. But I'm going to be using this to record the video, so it's much easier for me to record if I just join a private server. Now, because I am on a private server, it is just going to keep waiting for more players to join and the game will never start. The game starts automatically when enough players have joined the server. At the left, you will have some options, so you will have these settings that you can change, a bunch of preferences. Again, it's all down to your personal preferences, so I'm not going to go too much into detail. You have the option to go AFK and change visibility, and then your inventory and the shop. You can purchase new characters from here, so you should own the default EXE. You will have the different survivors. You can click on them and buy these items here, and you can equip them right after. You will have your inventory at the top left, where you can change the accessories and the items that you have equipped. You can see them here. And once you are done, you just return, and you will be able to play. And when enough players join, one of you will be assigned as the EXE and the others as survivors, and their objective is to survive until the end of the round. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.